of the province, mga higala ug pamilya, guests from different provinces who came all the way to be with us, mga pinanggang Sibugaynon, ladies and gentlemen. Kaganinang buntag, ni atubang ko sa atong sanggunian panlalawigan sa ilang special session na gitambungan sa mga bisita gikan sa nagkalain-laing national government agencies and the private sector aron maghatag sa akong State of the Province address. Akong gisaysay kanila ang mga proyekto, programa ug serbisyo nga malampuson nga gipatuman sa akong administrasyon sa sulod sa duha ka tuig nga pagserbisyo isip inyong gobernadora. I am over the moon with the overwhelming positive response of the Sibugaynons to my report. I am on cloud 9. Mura pa kog naglutaw sa kalipay. Salamat sa inyong pag-appreciate sa among mga hagok ug accomplishments sa probinsya. Particularly in the areas of healthcare and wellness, order and safety, farms, fisheries and food security, environment and education, and road network and infrastructure. With one more year left in my first term, my team and I remain dedicated to advancing our vision of progress for Zamboanga Sibugay. We will continue to work tirelessly to fulfill our commitments and serve the best interests of the Sibugaynons. But tonight, let us celebrate. Let us enjoy the live performance of one of the most popular bands in the country, December Avenue. Nailhan sila sa ilang mga viral compositions. The band is considered as one of the most streamed OPM bands in the country. And I brought them here in Sibugay to perform for you, mga pinangga na akong Sibugaynon. Because you deserve nothing less than the best. The band is composed of Zel Bautista on vocals and guitar. Palakpakin ninyo kada pangalan. Jem Manuel on guitars. Don Gregorio on bass. Jet Danao on drums and vocals and backing vocals. And Jello Cruz on keyboards and vocals. Ako ning treat kaninyo tungod sa inyong gugma ug suporta kanako ug sa akong administrasyon. Usa ka gasa. Pasalamat sa 2nd anniversary sa akong pagkagobernador. Next year, nana mo yung mga request. Magtigom na mig kwartaan eh. Next year, hopefully, with your wholehearted support, mas bongga pag yun ang atong selebrasyon. So, dili na nako tason ang akong mensahe kay I am sure excited na kaayo mo. Mga pinanggang Sibugaynon, let me present to you December Avenue.